How this $1,050 to become $78,000 in just 6 months. Today we are going to reveal the strategy for all the people. Myself, I'm Guru Ganesh. I'm in the financial industry almost for 17 years. I have trained numerous people to become a successful and professional traders across the globe. Now let's see the strategy. The account which you are seeing right now, this account was opened on 2025 October. So when I scroll down, you can able to see the overall performance, and once I scroll down, you can able to see the overall profit. It is $78,689, and most importantly, you can also see the withdrawal. It is $11,309. Once I click the trade tab, you can also see that current equity is $68,000. See, one of the unique thing you can able to notice in this account, for all the trades, you can able to see one similarity. It is stop loss and the take profit. It is more important. And coming back to the trade history, the type of execution. See, whenever you do trade, always use pending order. This is one of the most important thing for getting rid of trading addiction. Now let's see the blueprint of the strategy, how this is actually achieved. See, we are going to see the Excel sheet where you can able to see the performance of the trader. This account was opened on 21st December 2025, and we have given the ranking and the current status. I'm going to cover everything right now step by step. So this is the ranking column. Could you able to see 1, 2, 3? This is the ranking column, the left side. This account was started from $1,050. The volume we recommended 0.10 volume. So could you able to see the risk? It is 8%. It seems to be huge, but don't forget that this was profitable account. So this is not a capital account. So whenever you segregate profit, try to segregate into the different account. From there you try to take a risk. See, whenever you want to grow a wealth, always take a risk from the profit, not from your capital. Okay, this is a profitable account. I just want to recall that. So the first trade, actually we have taken 8% risk. You can able to clearly see that, right? Once the trade achieved, so we are not going to increase the volume. The next trade, you can able to see the same volume we are going to continue. So until it is going to reach the tipping point of $3,000. No need to worry. You can also download the Excel format below the video. So now it is $3,500. You can able to clearly see that. Could able to see the risk? It is 3.28%. The initial risk was started from 8%. Now it is just 3.28%. See, once I scroll down, you can able to see the current tracking right now. It is 141. So this is where the client is trading right now. And you could be able to see the risk right now. It is 2.5%. Initially, I told that this account was profitable account. This is not from the capital account. Now the account, it is achieved more than the capital. Now it became wealth. So within 6 months, the trader achieved the rank 141. I'm sorry for that. Okay. Let's say if you do the same performance for next 6 months, do you know what will happen? This account might achieve $1.5 million. Most of the people, they think that it is impossible. But even if you follow the strategy for longer run, even you can do that. So let's come back. The yellow color which is mentioned over here. Okay. See, whenever the yellow color which we mentioned over here, so that time we have to take a withdrawal. So that's what you can able to see the withdrawal. The overall withdrawal was taken $11,300. So this account was achieved almost 5,000% from the initial deposit. So now let's get back to the strategy. You have seen so far what you have seen. It is the blueprint of the account, how it is achieved. Let's get back to the strategy, how we can able to perform well. The strategy we used this account for ATR. ATR means average true range. Most of the traders, they know how to enter. One of the biggest problem is like how to exit. So whenever you use the ATR structure, let's imagine that the gold is performing $100 per day on average. So if you compare 3 months back, for example, January 2026, it was having a volatility of $200. Now it is $100. So it depends upon the market volatility, the ATR also changes. There is one of the important factor. And whatever the ATR price range, from that you have to take 10% as a risk and reward. Let's say $100 is a market volatility, you have to fix 10%. That means to say $10 is a take profit, $10 is a stop loss. So if you follow this strategy with pending order, even you can also achieve this strategy. Just like this ATR, with Primexar, we do have multiple accounts with different forex brokerage companies. All accounts are real live accounts. You are always welcome to join the Primexar courses, and we do regularly conduct the Primexar workshops where we talk about in depth about the market. So be a smart trader with Primexar.